CP340 Networks and Data Security, Section 11. Contents 11.1 Documenting a network problem in a ticketing system. 11.2 New network problem. 11.3 Importance of documenting network problems and references. 11.1 Document a network problem in a ticketing system. It's important to create a documented trail, essentially, to follow that you can revert back to if there's any issues with what you're trying to fix, or to fix the issue again. Like, the process of trying to fix an issue could break something, so it's always good to have a paper trail to kind of go back, or to fix the issue again. A ticket system would consist of information relating to the problem, and like basic stuff like the user that's using it, the PC that it happened on, the network it happened on, issues, stuff like that. An example would be user forgot their password, for instance. So you would take down their name, you would take down what PC they were using, network they were using, and kind of go through this like normal checklist steps to guide them through resetting the password and stuff like that. Another important information for more technical problems would be the PC number on the case, or maybe it's the hard drive going out, so you take down the hard drive number and so on, you input that. Another would be the user's email, so you can contact them, so on, once the issue is resolved. An example of a ticketing system would be Heat. I think it's used at the hospital. You have to pay for it. It's pretty expensive, but it does its job. I don't think the interface is very nice, but it works. 11.2 Identify a new network problem. The main part here is to understand the problem the user is having. If it's a password problem, or they can't connect, or the PC isn't turning on, something like that, or they can't. Let's say they're using medical software. The medical software for X-ray or something like that, it's not sending out printing requests or so on like that, so they can print out X-rays. When you're trying to help the user, document the process until the issue is fixed for future references to save time later on. Importance of documenting network problems. Documenting problems that occur over time saves a lot of time and man hours, essentially, when new issues arise. Keeping proper documentation allows the company to be more efficient and organized. Showing good use for the ticket system justifies the purchase of software to the management. This is a big one, since a lot of these ticketing systems cost money, like Heat. There is free online ones, and I'm sure there's free software you could try, make an account and so on like that. But yeah, it's important to justify the purchase, to show that it saves time and money for fixing issues, common issues, stuff like that. References. Alright, this concludes section 11.